Welcome back, guys, to Total Recon Part 2. My recon muscles are definitely getting bigger, bro. So in the first video, we created a bash script to automate your subdomain enumeration using Subfinder, Asset Finder, AMAS, HTTPX, and Shuffle DNS. And now you have this awesome list of active subdomains, and you're sitting there behind your keyboard, holding your wiener, wondering, what are we going to do next? Well, my friend, next we're going to take that awesome text file and we're going to send it over to Nuclei for some targeted and specific vulnerability scanning. Let me show you my screen. Here is the GitHub page for Nuclei. Just come down here and go through the installation instructions. You can download the latest binary from this location here. So once you have that, you can go ahead and update the Nuclei templates by this command right here. And we're going to automate the CVE search. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all these CVEs and scan them against our subdomain text file. And we're also going to look for specific files as well. And we're also going to look for vulnerabilities. So we're going to automate these three scripts. The link here will also be in the description for you guys. So what we're going to do now is we're going to expand our bash script for bug bounty hunting to not only include subdomain enumeration, but we're going to send that over to Nuclei for vulnerability scanning against those specific templates. So grab something to drink, grab something to eat, grab a chair. You're watching The Secret Letters of a Hacker.
Nice camera action.
Alright guys, let's continue building out this bash script from last week. We're going to create a new location under domain recon, and we're going to make a new folder for Nuclei. Now let's build out the scanner. Alright, so here is our Nuclei scanner script. So back up here, we're going to make these directories. We're going to make a new directory under the domain name Recon Nuclei. It's going to make a folder for us. It's going to run through the subdomain scanning. It's going to grab all the active subdomains into a folder called recon.txt. We're going to then cat domain recon.txt, and we're going to send it to Nuclei. This is where my Nuclei templates are located, and then we're going to output it over into Nuclei cves.txt. We're also going to scan it against the vulnerabilities template, and it's going to output the vulnerabilities text file for us under the domain name recon Nuclei. And then we're also going to scan it against the files template, and it's going to output any files under domain recon Nuclei files.txt. So pretty simple today, guys. We now have automation set up for subdomain enumeration as well as vulnerability scanning with nuclei. You can always add and remove templates. I personally like to use the CVEs, vulnerabilities, and files templates. Make sure that you keep them up to date because they're constantly updating those. Stay tuned to next week, because next week we're going to build out the fuzzing portion where we're going to fuzz for open directories. We're then going to send that over to get scanned for valid cross-site scripting. So in the end, you're going to have some sick bounties to report on: vulnerabilities, CVEs, and cross-site scripting. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, help me out. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. If you guys get stuck on any portion, you can find me in the comments section. You can hit me up on Discord. Check out the description for more awesome information. I'll see you guys back here next week. Thanks for watching The Secret Letters of a Hacker.